We're going to take a look at the Move Models plugin, and we're going to use this plugin to move the system coordinates of multiple models at the same time, rather than going one by one, opening them, and then changing the coordinate system. And for that, we're going to use the same structural model, but in a different location. So in this case, this is the B13 echelon structural model, and this is the B12 echelon structural models. So we're gonna want to move almost 40 models from this project to this project. And before we run the plugin, I recommend having isolated just the categories we want to use as a reference. In my case, I'm gonna use these foundations at the corner as origin and destination points, so I can hide all the structural framing here. Because if we don't do this, the plugin is going to be slowed down substantially more. So we come here to structural, and we're going to hide everything except for foundations. Okay, there we go. Now we only have foundations in the 3D view. So now we can click on Move Models. And first, we're going to specify a folder path with models to clean. We can come here to our folder project, click on the Windows path, and when this is highlighted in blue, we can right click, click copy, and Control V and paste it here. When we click on find models, we're gonna see all the different models that the plugin has found in that folder. And now we can select all the ones we want to move. And now we can click on pick origin point, and we're gonna use this point, this corner as a reference. If it doesn't let you select the corner you want, that can be because of the work plane of the view not being set up before. So you should come here and select whatever work plane you want. In my case, it's going to be this one. So back to the plugin again. Pick origin point, pick destination point, and we're going to want to create new files, and those new files are going to go to mechanical new models. Perfect. Again, copy, paste here, and click on move. On the bottom side, bottom left side of the screen, you're going to see how Revit opens the different models in the background. So we don't need to open 40 Revits, 40 different Revits, and move all the coordinate system. It's all going to happen in the background. And I'm going to show you how the folder starts getting populated. It can take a while because in the end it's opening the models in the background, but it's still loading all the geometry inside all the models and all the information. And it needs to gather information about all those elements and move the coordinate systems of all of them. So it can take a while, but we don't need to do anything else. So you can see now it's finishing opening the model in the background, and there you go. The first model is created, and as you can read, it's already saving. So now it should take the final size of 61 megabytes. And yeah, as you can see in the bottom left side of the screen again, it's opening another project again. So this one has already finished. I'm gonna show you how the second one is generated as well. like the second one is about to be finished as well. It's finishing opening. There you go. Yeah. Now we have the second file created. I took the final size there of 57 megabytes. So that's pretty much all, and all the pending files will be generated as well.